Hey doggies. So this right here is actually a drone. It's a drone baby. We're about to try that sucker outside for the first time. So this is a DJI Mini 4. It's one of the best drones on the market for the price point. It's only a few $100. So let's get this baby going. I've been flying it inside just a little bit, but I have not had the opportunity to fly it outside yet. So I'm just gonna unfold these arms here. Shoot, shoot. And there's a little covering for the camera here. And this thing can film in 4K too. And the main thing I wanna see how kind of far it can go, just a little bit. And then I also wanna try other things called, crap, what are they called? I think they're called quick shots. Little joystick handle thingamajiggies come out of the bottom there. I'm gonna get my phone here. I already downloaded the app. So this sucker is gonna pull up right there. I'm gonna slide my phone. Connects on the bottom like that. Plug. I don't know if you can hear that, but I got a bunch of dogs in the background eating pecans. Well, look at this, guys. Have a nut, kid. All right, where were we? I'm gonna hit this power button once, hold it. So I pressed it once and now I held it. Now I'm gonna hit the bottom of this puppy here once and then hold it. Press, long hold. Oh, if you want, you can put a battery in it. Frank, I forgot the battery. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
We got the battery. Lift that puppy up. Slide her in. I already have a micro SD card in here. It can't film unless you get that micro SD card in there. One press, long hold. One press, long hold. All right. My guy, why aren't we connecting? Unable to connect. Pair now. Ooh, go fly. Bro. Check this out, my guy. Okay, in the bottom right-hand corner, you see it's 1080p. I don't know if we need 30 frames per second. 24 would probably be fine, but let's just bump this sucker up to 4K, bro. Let's cook it.
Home point updated.
Now I'm gonna press down and together to get this thing going.
Take off.
Ooh, baby. Here we go, ready? Holy crap. Let's cook it. Up. Oh yeah, that's a fire shot. Look at that, my guy. All right, let's lean a little forward now. I got a little toggle here. That is so cool, bro. Bro, look at that. Check it out. We got so much snow. Just like a week ago it snowed and it's freaking nuts. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's go back down. Oh, frick, there's birds. Here, let's drop her. Look at these doggies. Ooh, that's fire. That's fire right there. Right there, boys. Okay, I'm gonna come out in the middle here. There are a couple new features I wanna try. Hopefully you can still hear my audio. I'm gonna get a better shot over here. Let's get ready. Pow. Here, I'm gonna get ready to go this way. And this way. Pow. What's up, bro? I'm gonna hit on the right-hand side, right over here. Sasha. Goodness gracious. On the right-hand side here. Quick shots. Ooh, let's try droney first, I guess. The camera centers as the subject aircraft's at crossbow. Okay, cool.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Watch out. Okay. 30 meters. Yeah, let's try a 30 meters. Sasha. 30 meters. Nothing's behind the drone.
3, 2, 1.
Let's try rocket. Holy smokes, dogs.
Three, 2, 1.
I'll see you guys. Right there, there are trees. So let's actually just follow me, guys. Come over here. No, guys, over here. There you go. Good job, guys. Let's do helix, my guy. Tap or draw a box around the subject.
Obstacle
Okay, here's my
sensing
box.
unavailable.
Good.
Fly with caution.
Okay, so we can go left or we can go right. Let's go right. Radius 10 meters, so it only goes 10 meters wide. You can go all the way up to, and let's do 20. Let's do 20.
3, 2, 1.
I think this is gonna be my last one, guys. So, yeah, we only got 21% battery. So, I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, look at that, low battery. So, might as well.
Landing.
Woo! Okay, and that's all we got. So hopefully we're gonna get some really cool shots in the next videos and everything to come. So we'll see you in the next one, guys.